Hello students, again welcome to physics online classes. In the previous class we were discussing about the properties of addition of vectors and how the vector can be subtract, how the vector can multiply by a scalar quantity. Now in this class we will see the relative velocity concept. This concept already we have seen in motion in a straight line. Again let us go the few additional points concerned to relative velocity of the given body. Right students, in terms of vector we will explain. The concept is relative velocity. Relative velocity. Students, already we know that when two bodies are going in same direction, how to give the relative velocity, and for opposite direction already we have mentioned how to represent the relative velocity of the given body. Shall I take here how this is? Now consider this is one vector, I mean velocity. Velocity of the body can be represented by v. Right? Now alternative manner. Now I will take another body. This is another body. Right? What I will take? This is the velocity v. How to take the relative velocity for same direction? Same direction is the velocity of one body with respect to another body. That we are calling relative velocity here. How to take the relative velocity of this body? Shall I take this is VAB? Alright. Relative velocity of one body with respect to another body. I mean the body B observe the velocity of body A. This we are calling relative velocity of body A with respect to body B. Now in reverse case means the relative velocity of body B with respect to body A. Alright. Relative velocity of body B with respect to body A. Alright. This can be written VB minus VA. VB minus VA. This is one case. But if two bodies are in opposite in direction, how to represent the relative velocity? Look at me. Shall I take this is one velocity? Shall I take this is the VA? Right? Now I will take the reverse direction. Velocity of the body in reverse direction. VD. Right students, how to take here? The relative velocity of A with respect to B. Relative velocity of A with respect to B. How to write actually? VA minus of VB. VA minus of VB. Because VB is in negative direction, I am taking negative value. Directly how to put? Relative velocity of A with respect to B can be written VA plus VB. VA plus VB. It is one case. Correct? One more case, shall I see here? How this is? The relative velocity of B with respect to A. B with respect to A. How do I write? B with respect to A can be written VB minus VA along with minus sign because VB is in negative direction. This is how the relative velocity of two bodies when they are in opposite direction. For same direction you can represent like this. Right. But students, we did not explain the relative velocity of two bodies if they are inclined at an angle theta. Inclined at an angle theta. They can be explained on the basis of the parallelogram law of addition of vector along with the triangle of addition of vector. Shall I see students? The relative velocity in different case. Look at me. See here, I will take. This is one velocity I can take. This is the velocity of the body A. Shall I call this velocity VA? Right. Now I will take this is the velocity of the body. This is the velocity of the body. Shall I call this velocity? Velocity of this body can be represented by VB. How they are? The VA and VB, they are inclined at an angle theta. Inclined at an angle theta. Then in this case, how to represent the relative velocity? It is very important. See here. The velocity VB, either you can represent velocity of body A with respect to body B, one thing, and velocity of body B with respect to body A. Both you can represent. Now we have to represent Marbodri. See here. Look at me. Now this VB I want to produce in backward direction. How to produce? The vector B. Vector B I want to produce in backward direction. Are you following this? This is like this. What about this? The vector B. Vector B goes in reverse direction. Like this. Right? What about it? The velocity vector B. Shall I call this? the velocity of vector B goes in reverse direction. This is the velocity. How to represent? In negative direction, I want to take the velocity equal to minus v. Right? Now VA is like this, VB is like this. What about this one? This is the negative value of B. Right? See students, you know that this total angle how much? This total angle is 180. Total angle is 180. If this is theta, this one is theta, then what about this? This how to write? This is 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. Are you following? Right students? See here, if VA is like this, minus VB is like this, what about the resultant? Shall I take the resultant here? This is nothing but the resultant value. How to represent? This is the resultant. What you are calling? Either we can take the relative velocity of A with respect to B. How much this angle total? This angle is 180 minus theta. Right? Actually, this angle VA is like this, VB is like this. What about resultant? Relative velocity of A with respect to B can be written like this. So let us apply parallelogram law of addition of vector. We know that R equal to under root of VA square or P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. But theta replaced by what value? Theta replaced by 180 minus theta. Right? Because resultant lying from VA to minus VB. Shall I write here? How to write the resultant then? Relative velocity of A with respect to B. With respect to B. Shall I make it parallelogram first? How to make the parallelogram? You can make it parallelogram like this. Right or wrong? This is the parallelogram. Now students, let us take here how to write relative velocity. Under root of how much? Under root of VA square plus how much? VB square plus 2VA VB. 2VA VB cos how much? 180 minus theta. Because how much angle is there? 180 minus theta. But cos 180 minus theta, that is minus cos theta. Cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta. Then I will write this relative velocity like this. Relative velocity, how to write? Look at me here, how to write here? See here. VA square plus how much? VB square minus 2VA VB. 2VA VB cos theta. I mean, if two bodies are in same direction, inclined at an angle theta, same direction or different direction you can take. VA square, because cos 180 equal to minus 1, then this one equal to VAB equal to VA square plus VB square minus 2A VB cos theta. This is how relative velocity of A with respect to B. Relative velocity of A with respect to B can be represented like this. Right students? Then reverse direction I can take. Reverse means relative velocity of B with respect to A I will take. B with respect to A. How to take actually? Look at me, shall I represent that value? Now I will take this nothing but velocity. Shall I call this? This is the velocity how much? The velocity VA I will take. Right? What about this velocity? This velocity I will take. This velocity equal to VB I will take. Right? How much angle in between VA and VB? This much angle theta. Similar case. Now I want to produce the VA in backward direction. In negative direction I will take. Negative direction shall I take? This is the negative direction. How to represent? This one. What value this is? This is equal to minus VA. Minus of VA. Because in negative direction I am taking. It is in positive. This one is in negative. This is O point I can take. Right. Similarly I can take this as the O point. Right students? Now VBA is like this and VA minus VA like this. What about the resultant? Resultant is this one. This is the resultant value. Right? What about this? Relative velocity of B with respect to A. Relative velocity of B with respect to A. See here, this total angle how much? This total angle is 180. If this is theta, what about remaining? Remaining how much? Remaining equal to 180 minus theta. Right? Then again, shall I apply parallelogram law of addition of vector? This is one vector, this is another vector. What about resultant? Resultant how to write? See here. Resultant means relative velocity of B with respect to A equal to, how to write? under root of how much? Under root of, see here, under root of how much? VA square plus how much? VB square, VB square, right? Or VB square plus VA square you can take, no matter. VB square plus VA square plus 2VA VB, 2VA VB cos of how much? 180 minus theta, right? Cos 180 minus theta, again minus cos theta. Then shall I represent here? How to represent? Relative velocity of B with respect to A. In what way can represent? Look at me here. How to take? VB square plus VA square cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. Then what this becomes? 2VA VB of cos theta, right? All the other vectors, right thing. Then students, again already we said that if two bodies are in the same direction, I represent VA minus VB or VB minus VA, right? How this was came actually? You can conclude from this formula, you can conclude. From this one or this one you can conclude. See how to conclude? If both are in the same direction, both are in the same direction, that is VA and VB both are in the same direction, right? Both are in the same direction you can take. If both are in the same direction, how to take? Theta equal to how much? Theta equal to 0. If theta equal to 0, cos 0 is 1, cos 0 1, cos 0 1, then what is remaining? VAB, I am taking this situation, VAB. VAB how to write? Cos 0 mean, cos 0 1, cos 0 1 mean, what is remaining? VA square plus VB square minus 2 VA VB. Cos 0 mean VA square plus VB square minus 2 VA VB, right? Because cos 0 1. Again A square plus B square minus 2AB form. How to write this value again? VAB equal to under root of, how to write? VA minus VB of whole square, right? Like this you can write. Or directly how to write? VAB equal to how much? VA minus VB. VA minus VB in same direction like this. Similar you can see for this also by taking theta equal to 0 degree, right? I mean theta equal to 180 for opposite. This is 180 for opposite. You can check it. You can confirm this equation. I mean relative velocity of two bodies with respect to underbody can be represented in terms of vector. In terms of vector. This is how we can calculate magnitude of relative velocity. Magnitude of relative velocity, students. Then how to take the direction here? Angle made with resultant with one of the vector P. See here. This is vector A. This is resultant vector. What can take? This is alpha. This angle is alpha. You know how to calculate alpha? General formula is the formula alpha. Look at me. How to calculate? Tan alpha equal to how much, right? Q into sin theta divided by how much? P plus cos theta. This central formula. Or theta replaced by what value? 180 minus theta. Q can be replaced by B. P can be replaced by VA. Are you following? This is P, this is Q, and this is theta. 180 minus theta. How to put actually? How to modify this? How to modify? Look at me. I am going to modify this. Tan alpha equal to Q replaced by what value? Q replaced by VB. Sin theta replaced by 180 minus theta, right? Whole divided by, see here, P replaced by A, P replaced by A, Q replaced by actually, this is what value? Q cos theta, right? B of how much? Cos 180 minus theta, sin 180 minus theta, sin theta, sin 180 minus theta, sin theta. Shall I represent tan alpha directly? Sin 180 minus sin theta. Then how to take? VB of sin theta divided by cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. Sin 180 minus theta sin theta, cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. Then how it becomes directly? Shall I take? vector A minus vector B cos theta, right? This is how to calculate the tan alpha in this case of relative velocity. See here how to calculate this alpha, right students? Then for the relative velocity concept we have special cases. Actually we have two special cases. One is the rainfall and second one is a river crossing problem. Both we will see in detail here. See here, look at this is how to represent the relative velocity. Then the relative velocity has the special cases. Special cases. For the special cases, how to take? Right students, we will see in detail concern to relative velocity. Okay students, the concept of rainfall, how this is. Consider students, the rain is falling vertically downward and the man is walking along positive x-axis. How to take actually? Look at me. Now the rain is falling like this in vertical direction. Shall I take? The rain is falling. The rain is falling by what velocity? The rain is falling by the velocity v. Right. Consider a man walking along positive x-axis with velocity vr. See here how to take? The man walking with the velocity. How much velocity? He is walking with the velocity v along positive x-axis. Here, how to represent the relative velocity of rain with respect to man or with respect to person? See here, this velocity Vm, shall I produce in backward direction? How to take actually? Shall I take this? Shall I take this like this? In this direction I can take. This is nothing but what value? Minus Vm. Right? Right students? You can represent like this. Now I can take the relative velocity of rain with respect to person. How to join? This can be joined by triangle of addition of vector. Triangle of addition of vector. This is the resultant. Shall I remove this? Actually in positive direction, person is going in positive direction, but I am taking in negative direction velocity to represent the relative velocity. Right? How the rain is coming down? The rain is coming down like this in this direction. How the man is walking actually in this direction walking? I am taking the reverse vector with the negative sign here. Shall I take this? This one is nothing but the negative sign. In this direction the person walking. Right students? Then what about this? This represents resultant velocity. What is resultant velocity of rain with respect to person? How to represent the relative velocity here? The relative velocity of rain with respect to person can be done. How to represent? Actually rain plus relative velocity of the person. I am taking Vm is the negative value. Vm is negative value because it is in negative direction. Then how to represent the relative velocity of rain with respect to the person can be represented Vr minus Vm. Vr minus Vm. Right. Then how to take the magnitude of this relative velocity? Magnitude of this relative velocity equal to simply you can apply the triangle of addition of vector or can apply Pythagoras theorem. This square equal to Vm square plus Vr square. Shall I represent here in what case I can represent? Relative velocity of rain with respect to the person can be written. Look at here. How to write? Or directly I can write. Shall I write Vrm equal to how to write? Vrm equal to Vr square plus Vm square. This is the magnitude. Magnitude of this one. This square equal to this square plus this square. Right. But see here, the person is walking like this. In this direction, person is walking. We are taking the reverse vector. He should hold the umbrella in this direction. Right? By what angle he should hold? He should hold the umbrella in this direction. I mean, this is the angle by which he can protect from the rain. This angle. Are you following me? This is nothing but umbrella. In this direction, umbrella should hold. Then what direction? To protect from the rain, in what direction the person should hold the umbrella? It is important here. Right? Then see here, this one looks like triangle. This one looks like triangle. Shall I take the tan theta? How to take the tan theta? tan theta is opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? Opposite equal to Vm. Adjacent equal to how much? We are taking magnitude of this one. Or how to calculate the angle? Angle can be calculated by what manner? Tan inverse. Tan inverse of Vm divided by Vr. Vm divided by Vr. This is in what direction if we hold the umbrella, then we can protect from the rain. This angle. Tan theta equal to tan inverse of Vm divided by Vr. And how to take the relative velocity of the rain? Relative velocity of the rain with respect to person can be done Vr minus Vm. And how to take the magnitude? Magnitude can be taken Vrm equal to under root of Vr square plus Vm square. This is one case. This is what? The rainfall concerned to relative velocity. Now one more case will take. River crossing problem. River crossing problem. That we'll see in detail. River crossing problem. Shall we see? River crossing problem. River crossing problem. See here, in detail we'll see students. Concerned to river crossing problem. Okay students, let us continue the reverse crossing problem. In first problem was special case of relative velocities, the rainfall and the angle by which umbrella can hold can be given like this, and magnitude can be represented by Vrm is equal to Vr square plus Vm square. Now say students, let us take a person crossing the river. The person can cross the river in two ways. He can achieve by shortest time with the longest path, or he can achieve with the shortest time with the longest path. Shortest time with the shortest path with the longest time. Right? Both cases we will see. To understand the reverse crossing problem, consider students, river is flowing in one direction. Shall I take the river and width of the river I will take? Look at me. How this is? This is nothing but the river. River flowing in this direction. Shall I take this? Look at that. How to take? This is the river. River can flow in this direction. In this direction. Are you following? In this direction river can flow. Right? Now, let us consider VW represent velocity of the river. This is nothing but the velocity of the river in this direction. Actually, this we can call the river. River flows in this direction. Are you following? In this direction. Right? In this direction river can flow. In this direction. Consider. This is the river flow. Right? Now let us consider students, W represent width of the river. Shall I take this? This one represent width of the river. Shall I take this? This is nothing but the width of the river. What I can call? This is nothing but the width of the river. Are you following? Now consider a person crossing the river from A to B point in a shortest time with the longest path. Shortest time with the longest path. How it is possible? Shall I take? Now it is the position of the person. This is the position of the person. The person can swim from one point of the river to another point of the river in this direction. In this direction. In this direction. He can flow. By what velocity? Velocity of the swimmer can be represented by Vs. He reaches to the B point. Reaches to the B point. Look at me, in what direction river can flow? River can flow in this direction. In this direction river can flow. In this direction. This is the direction in which river can flow. This is the direction of the river. Right? But when person goes from A to B point, due to the river flow, his position may shift. Actually, if it is one vector, this is another vector, what is the resultant vector here? This is nothing but the resultant vector. You can represent this is the resultant vector, right? This is the resultant vector. Shall I represent according to triangle of addition of vector? Shall I represent the resultant vector? The resultant vector can be represented by VR. Are you following me? I mean, when person goes from A to B point due to river flow, if the position of the person is here, due to the river flow, he can shift here. Are you following? If the position of the person is here, he can shift here. If the position of the person is here, due to the river flow, it can be shift here. It can be shift here. Similarly, if he is here, then he can shift due to the river flow. I mean, the river can shift him in this direction, this direction. Are you following? How he shifted? Actually, he has to reach from this point to this point at this point, but due to the river flow, he may go like this. Right? Then the person should shift at this point. Instead of this point, the person can reach at the C point due to the river flow. Then the person can goes from A to B, he can shift here. Then this we are calling drift of the person. This we are calling the drift of the person. The drift of the person can be represented by D. I mean, shift in the position of the person due to the river flow. Due to the river flow, the person cannot reach at this point. Instead, he may shift like this. Then, when he goes from A to B, he has shifted here with what velocity resulted? This velocity. What is the velocity here? VR equal to plus VR plus VW. Because what about this? This we are calling the VW. Right? It is the longest path actually. This is the longest path. Shall I represent? The longest path can be represented by L value, and drift of the person can be represented by small d value. Right? Then by what angle he can go? He can go by this angle. Shall I call this angle as theta? Right, students, here? Here we need to calculate time taken by the person to go from A to B. Time taken by the person to go from A to B along with the longest path taken by the person to go from A to B. Right? Second thing, and we have to calculate angle made with the width of the river and angle made with the flow of the river. Right? And one thing, again we need to calculate the drift of the person. Let us go one by one situation. See here what this is. The person crossing the river with the shortest time and longest path. Shortest time and longest path. You can ask the question here. This is nothing but longest path. For the longest path, the time must be more. It is not like this. Because the person is going with the resultant velocity. What velocity? This velocity plus this velocity. That's what the person go in the shortest time with long path. When the person goes from A to B. Let us go by calculate one by one situation. Shall I calculate the time taken by the person? Time taken by the person to calculate from A to B. See here. How to calculate the time here? We know velocity. What is velocity? Velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. Velocity equal to displacement divided by time. Right? Then what is time here? How to calculate the time taken by the person to reach from A to B? Displacement. Displacement can be represented by width here. It goes from initial to final. What is the width? W. Then what about the velocity Vs? This is the time taken. Time taken by the person to go from A to B. One case, students. Right. Second case is how to calculate this resultant velocity. This resultant velocity. Shall apply according to Pythagoras theorem. Vr square is equal to what value? Vs square plus Vw square. Right. Shall I take here? How to calculate? Vr equal to under root of how much? Under root of Vs square plus how much? Vw square. This is the resultant velocity you can calculate. Right? And again we need to calculate angle made with the width of the river. Theta, what is theta actually? Theta represents angle made with width of the river. Angle made with the width of the river. It is very important. See here. How to calculate this one actually? Shall I make it parallelogram here only? Shall I make it parallelogram? I can make it parallelogram. Right. This is one velocity. This is another velocity. What about this one? This is the resultant velocity. Shall I take the resultant? This is the resultant velocity VR. Are you following? This is what velocity? This is nothing but Vs. Right? If it is Vs, what about this one? This also Vs. Then what direction VW? This is the direction of VW. Shall I take? VW is that. Right? What is theta here? Angle made with the width of the river. Tan theta is angle made with the width of the river. See here, how to calculate angle made with width of the river? Angle made with width of the river. Angle made with width of the river. With the width of river. How to calculate that? See here. Look at me this triangle. This one looks like triangle. Are you following? Shall I take tan theta? Tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. Shall I take opposite? Opposite means VW. What is adjacent? Adjacent is what? That is Vs. Right? This is what? Angle made with the width of the river. With width of the river. But here one more angle is available. Angle made with the flow of the river. Actually, in what direction river can flow? In this direction river can flow. Are you following me? In this direction. Right. This one represents angle made with the flow of the river. Alpha. Right. In this direction, what angle is there? In this direction, river flow is there. Shall I take this one? This is equal to VW. This one, both are the same. Right. This one looks like triangle. Are you following this figure? This geometry looks like triangle. Alright. In that again, shall I take what this is? Angle made. Angle made. Angle made with flow of river. With flow of river. Right? Flow of river means shall I take the tan alpha? What is tan alpha? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite mean what? Vs is the opposite. Adjacent mean VW. What about this? Vs divided by VW. This is what? Angle made with flow of river. This represent time. This represent resultant velocity. What about this? Angle made with width of the river. Angle made with flow of the river. Right, students? Then again I need to calculate the drift of the person. The person actually goes from A to B, but he may reach us at this point due to the river flow, due to the push of the river. Actually, in this direction, river can flow in this direction. Due to the push of the river, person may reach here. Right? Shall I calculate this drift of the person, change in position of the person due to river flow? This we are calling drift. Right, students? Look at me here. First of all, this geometry looks like triangle. This one looks like a triangle. Right? Shall I take this? Tan theta I will take or cos theta I will take, no matter. Initially, shall I take the tan theta? Tan theta I will take. What is tan theta from this? Opposite by adjacent. What is opposite? VW. What is adjacent? That is Vs. Right? But A, B, C also looks like triangle. I am taking velocity ratio. But here, what width is there? D is the width. I mean, the drift of the person. What is the width of the river? This represents width of the river. This one represents width of the river. Are you following? Tan theta. From where? From triangle I will take. In this case. See here, in this case. Shall I take the triangle now? Triangle what? Triangle ABC I will take. ABC I will take. Opposite is this much. Adjacent is what? Width here directly. Shall I take here? Tan theta then? Tan theta. What is tan theta? Opposite. Opposite equal to D. Drift of the person. Adjacent mean width. Right? Here tan theta I am taking. Due to the velocity I am taking tan theta here. And tan theta due to the drift and due to width of the river I am taking. Don't confuse here. Here also tan theta, here also tan. Because of what? This tan theta is due to the river flow and swimmer. And what about this tan theta? Due to the drift of the person and width of the river. Right. Now we can compare the both. Here also tan theta, here also tan theta. What you can take directly? See here. VW divided by how much? VW divided by Vs equal to how much? D divided by W. Right. What is the drift here then? Drift, how to calculate? Drift can be calculated. VW divided by how much? Vs into how much? W. So drift of the person we can calculate. Right thing students. How to calculate the drift here? The drift can be calculated. D equal to VW. VW is the flow of the river already given. Vs, velocity of the swimmer. What is W? Width of the river. By knowing all this quantity you can calculate this value. I mean drift of the person. One more physical quantity you can calculate. The physical quantity is the longest path covered by the person. L is the longest path in this time. See here again. Again, I will use both triangle. This one it looks like one triangle, and this one looks like same triangle. I will take cos theta now. Shall I take here cos theta? Look at me how to take the cos theta here. In this triangle cos theta, what is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. See here, shall I take the cos theta in smaller triangle? Cos theta. Adjacent means what? Vs. Hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is equal to how much? That is VR. One case I calculated, right? Longest path. But VR equal to how much? VR equal to this L value. VR equal to L value. In terms of, I will take like this. See here, right? One more situation. Now students, I will take one more triangle available. This one looks like triangle, right? Now I take the cos theta again. What is cos theta in this triangle? Bigger triangle. Adjacent mean what? Adjacent equal to this one width. In terms of width I am taking. Right? In terms of length, hypotenuse equal to L. Are you following me? Here it is in terms of velocity for smaller triangle. For bigger triangle, I am taking W by F. Again compare both. How to calculate here? If you are comparing both mean W divided by L equal to how much? Vs divided by Vr, right? Or what is L? L equal to W into Vr. W into Vr divided by Vs. What you got the Vr? What is Vr? Under root of Vs square plus Vw square, right? Then see here, L equal to how to write? W into under root of, how to write? Vs square plus Vw square. Whole divided by how much? This is Vs. What this is actually? Longest path. This we are calling the shortest path, shortest time. This we are calling longest path. So this is what case? The person crossing with the shortest time and longest path. Second case we will see. Second case is the person crossing with the shortest path and longest time. How this time will be shortest we will explain later. Remember, time equal to Vw divided by Vs and L equal to this value. Drift of the person is this value. Shall I take the one more situation? Can I explain here only? Look at here. See here. What this case? Shall I explain this case actually? The person crossing with minimum time and longest path This is the minimum time. What are calling? This is the longest path. Right. Second case I will take. Person crossing with largest time or shortest path with the more time. Shall I take here? The person crossing with the shortest path. How this is possible? Again I will take the river. Look at me. This is the flow of the river. Right? Flow of the river. Shall I represent the flow of the river like this? In this direction river can flow. Right. This is nothing but the width of the river. Shall I represent? This is nothing but the width of the river. Right. In this case, what happened? Person moving like this. Now I will take in this situation. Remember, this is nothing but the flow of the river in this direction with velocity VW like this. Now person, he starts from a point. Now he can go like this. Are you following? How he can move? He can go like this with velocity in this direction. What velocity? Velocity equal to Vs. In this case, the person was moving like this. Now, in this case, how the person moves? The person goes like this. Right. Then see here, this is nothing but the flow of the river. But how the river can go? The river can go like this. Due to the flow of the river, the person, he may range from A to B. But due to the flow of the river, the person position may shift here. How to get the resultant velocity? The resultant velocity of this person, they can be given like this. This is nothing but the resultant velocity. Shall I take it as VR? I mean, when person reaches at this point, due to the flow of the river, he may shift here. Right. Again, when person here, he may shift here due to the flow. When the person is here, due to the flow of the river, he may shift here. Right. What are taking? This is nothing but VW. Are you following? This is the VW. Right, in this direction. Look at me. What about the resultant? This we are calling the resultant. Shall I draw the diagram here separately? Look at me. If the flow of the river is like this, the person, he may go like this. Right? What about this? This point is A point. What are calling? This is nothing but the B point. This is the flow of the river. I can call VW. What about this? The flow of the swimmer in this direction Vs. What about this? This we are calling the resultant velocity V. Situation like this. I mean, the person goes from A to B due to the flow of the river in this direction. He may push. Right? Then look at here. Actually, this we are calling the angle. Now apply Pythagoras theorem here. Vs square is equal to what? Vr square plus Vw square. How to represent? Vs square equal to, how to write? Vs square equal to Vr square plus how much? Vw square. Right or wrong? Or shall I directly? Vr equal to under root of how much? Under root of Vs square minus of how much? Vw square. Right? This is the resultant velocity. Look at me, students. Resultant velocity is like this, and this resultant length must be equal to width here. Shall I call this one? This is nothing but width of the river. W can call or D can call. Width is nothing but W I am taking. Right? See here, due to the resultant velocity, how to calculate the time? Time taken by the person to go from A to B. How to calculate the time? Time can be calculated along the resultant velocity. You know that. See here. What is the resultant velocity? Resultant velocity Vr equal to how much? Displacement divided by time. What is the displacement here? W. Time is nothing but how much? T. Right? Then shall I call here? I am taking the time here T. Time T. Then in this case how to take? In this case shall I call? This is the time T1 I can call. I will call in this case time is T2. Then how to calculate T2 here? T2 equal to how much? Width of the river divided by resultant speed or velocity. But Vr equal to how much? This value. Shall I go here directly then? T2 equal to W divided by Vr means how much? Under root of. How to write? Under root of Vs square minus of Vw square. Right? See here, look at this time and this time. How to calculate? This time always less than this time. T1 equal to only V by W by Vs. But what about this T2 equal to W divided by under root of Vs square minus Vw square under root? Right? From this one, what I can call? See here, T2 is greater than T1. I mean, to go from this point to this point, he may take the more time as compared to in this case. In this case, time only was T1 equal to W by Vs. But what about in this case? In this case, time T2 equal to how much? W divided by under root of Vs square minus W square. But T2 greater than T1. Right? I mean, this we are calling the shortest path. This we are calling the shortest path. And what about time? Time is more. In this case, longer path with the shortest path. Right? Then how to calculate angle here? Look at here. This figure. This figure of this figure can count. This is nothing but angle. Right? Very simple. From this you can take the sin theta. How to calculate the angle here? Sin theta mean, right? See here, sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite? Opposite equal to VW. Hypotenuse equal to how much? That is Vs. This is sin theta angle mean, or theta equal to tan inverse of VW Vs. This is what? River crossing problem. In this case, we take the less time with the more path length. In this case, in the shortest path with the more time. I mean, to cross the river, the person can cross in two ways. One is the person can cross with the longest path in shorter time. Another way is the person can cross with the shortest path with the longer time. This is how concept of relative velocity and special cases of relative velocity. Remaining concept we will see in the next class. Thank you.